We're still trying to determine whether and how Matthew acquired this weapon. Stockton Police, the ATF, and special investigators are deep into this. The boy's journal that was found at the crime scene has been analyzed by several psychiatric experts. They were violent and very disturbing. We know that the diocese made a recommendation over a year ago that the boy seek outside counseling. As far as the weapon goes, it is my highest priority as your district attorney to find the parties responsible for putting a weapon so deadly into the hands of a child so broken.